A little solo riff that kind of got started with me a while back, good long time back, and it was there was a guy named John Danner that taught me how to play bass, and he kind of taught me this little solo riff too to kind of get me started, and I kind of turned the solo riff into this little jam, and I hope you like it. hardware that I'm a little rusty on, like I said in my bass video, it's been a while since I played and everything, and it's been, I want to say maybe 2-3 years since I picked either of my guitars up. And a friend of mine, neighbor, he up and tuned this thing for me for the first time in a long time that it's been tuned. And so anyways, I know that probably ain't the best version of that, but it's real cool. And like that look, if you have like a good distortion with a Crybaby wah pedal, it sounds smooth and sweet, man, because the distortion kind of takes out the mistakes and just kind of adds to it. Well, anyways, hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoy my other guitar playing video. And once again, thank you to all the fans. And wherever you're at in this world, may you be blessed. And I just like to say it's a blessing to have you fans like me enough to be a subscriber, and I thank you. And wherever you're at in this world, may be blessed, and many blessings to you. Have a great, wonderful day wherever you're at in this world.